Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Before I play this video, I want to ask you, how do you identify people? People are identified by their language, by the kind of food they eat, by their kind of dress style. Now, I will play this video a little bit and I'll ask you, where do you think these women came from? Watch.
Jesus. Jesus.
Did you hear that? Now can you guess where she's from? By what she said. It is common for people to speak language that is theirs. Some also learned other languages, but based on what she said. Don't tell me, somebody from another ethnicity can. Now, based on what you see in that video, she is speaking her language. And that is Igbo. The language you heard her speak is Igbo. I'll play the full length of the video for you to listen. So if you are asked to address or to talk about where this lady is from, what will you say? Igbo expressly. She is speaking her language. And her Igbo is so clear, clearer to me than a lot of Igbos in the Southeast region. Sincerely, clearer to me than a lot of Igbos in the Southeast region. Now, I want to tell you, she is not from Southeast. No? Now, I'll play the whole length of the video and you will know where she's from. You'll be amazed at the clarity of her Igbo. And why will you still argue that she is not Igbo after I play this video? Now, I'll play the full length.
Jesus. Chineke nna nke eluigwe. Chineke nke kere eluigwe n'ụwa na ihe niile nke ya na-ahụ na nke ya na-adịghị ahụ papa. Nna anyị ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Opobo town. Na Opobo town. Anyị ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Opobo town. Papa. Nna anyị ụmụ nwaanyị ndị Opobo town. Na mungoko na nde YouTube aizukotara nga na atorogo mama na nna na nkokpara na nke monso Chineke. Amen.
Selected many youths from 14 sections of the 67 wall canoe houses for empowerment and provided.
Hello. You saw that she and others were speaking their language. That is just a short clip from a long video. They are speaking their language. Okay, you could say they learned it. Yes, everybody learns their language. From maybe in your home, living with your parents. It is not as if they are speaking another person's language. No. Or a language they learned from somebody else. No. They are speaking that language Igbo because they are Igbo. That is the Opobo people in Rivers State. Already you heard about their ancestry, King Jaja of Opobo, somebody who came from the southeast part of the Igbo and went towards the riverine area called today Rivers State. So why would somebody doubt that these people are Igbo? When their Igbo is clearer to me than most Igbos of the southeast. And by the way, that is how the Opobo speaks their Igbo. It's not as if she is speaking a dialect that is central. That is Opobo straight. And you've heard Governor Fubara speak a lot of times, clear as this. That is their language.
Onye jikwara ọfọkwa na lekwa na afọ na China phone. I will snap you. No, okay. You think it or you down? China phone. We delete the picture. Okay. Ndị ọdọ dị ya na nga ndị isi ere awọ dị nga ndị nyem. Ndị isi ụmụ asa awọ. Gburugburu ndị Igbo The party chairman kwuo ọtụtụ ihe here. Ke m kwesịrị ikwu o werela kwuo ma ya adịghị ngekwe ya gba. But when isi njem a bịara taa dị very important. Ọ ga-adịkwa mmasị nkwutugwa one or two things. Ụmụnne m ndị nwe m na ndị nwe here. Ihe nchọrọ ime unu asọwụ. Ihe dum chairman kwuru. Unu were ndekọ dị mma, ndekọ unu chọrọ ịnụ. Ndekọ ị na-achọghị ịnụ.
It is not as if, oh, let's switch and speak Central Igbo for now because we are in the public. No, this is their own Igbo. As clear as that to me. Clear. Their own dialect. Very clear. Opobo people are Igbo people. I celebrate them.